I just want to put the people a smile on their face, and I think that's the main goal of the whole thing. Hello, my name's Eileen and I'm 21 years old. I am in my first year of my apprenticeship at Syngenta Basel. At Facebook was a group called Gang Shape Basel Hilf, where people could offer some actions to the risk group. So I offered to bake bread for everyone who wants some. So I thought maybe 5 people would come forward to it, but I tell you it was more than 5, a lot more. I baked at least 20 breads per day, and I knew I couldn't do that alone. So I asked my family if they maybe could help me, and they said yes, and I was so happy and grateful. So my dad helped me with baking and delivery. My mom helped me also with delivery, and my dad's wife, she helped me with the letters. Because with every bread comes like a little piece of paper with a positive quote on it, just to have hope in this time. So I received a lot of help from my family. You don't need that much time to do a bread. At least for the dough 20 minutes and all in 1, 2 to 3 hours. The most amount of bread I made was 30 a day. It was a Saturday morning. We started in the kitchen from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. But it was a lot of fun. I get a lot of gratitude from the people. It's a nice feeling when someone appreciates your work. For me, it's a very important message that everyone can help. So if you want to help, you can ask your neighbor, you can ask your grandmother, your grandfather, and you will find ways to help if you want to. So just go ahead, and I promise you they will be so lucky if a young person comes to them and just wants to help.